Welcome back to another video, guys. This will just be a quick unboxing of my Galaxy Watch 3. So yeah, it's a upgrade from my Gear S3. Still in good condition. It's about 2 years old, but saw this, got it from Samsung themselves, and it was 15% off, and we'll obviously trade in this one as well, so got a good price for it. So it looks very familiar to the iWatch, the Apple Watch packaging. Completely different from the Gear S3 box, which is this one here, and the Galaxy Watch itself. It's totally different. Yeah, so we'll just go ahead and open it up. There you go, there's the watch. Alright, what we got in there? Get it out. Got the usual startup guide, warranty card, don't know what's in that. Oh, I think it was a charger. Nothing else in there. So you can see we don't get a power brick with it. Something that Apple's doing as well, and apparently going to do with their iPhones going forward. So this is the power brick, well, the charging cable. Alright, so this is the watch here. I've got it in the black. It's got the leather bands. So I'm guessing it'll just sit straight on that, so. Yeah, that's definitely different from using the Gear S3 charger. This one here. See if it's still magnetized to it. I don't feel it magnetized like the Gear S3. Let's see. Yeah, so the Gear S3, yeah, you can feel it magnetized. So I'm guessing, not sure if I'm going to use this charger. No, probably not. But this one feels much heavier. This is much lighter. I mean, the Gear S3 is still a good looking watch. But obviously this is the latest. Not sure about the battery life though. This is I think got 380 milliamps. This one's got 340. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, like I said, this was a quick unboxing, and I'll do a review on it shortly. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, I'll do a review on it shortly. Like I said, no, you don't get no power brick of it. Just the cable itself. No power brick. So on the next one, we'll do a quick comparison between the watches and see which one well, it should be near enough the same, but see there's any differences. Obviously you've got your ECG, well, won't have all that stuff activated yet in the UK, but for now, apparently it's January, but we'll see. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, I forgot to mention that this is the 45mm, this is a 46mm. Screen's a bit bigger, this one's 1.4, I think it's 1.3. And this is the Mystic black colour. Don't you actually hear that? It's a bit squeaky, but that's obviously because of the leather strap.